Nah. Take a sip of mine. Mine's actually yummy. Take a sip of mine. Take a sip of mine.
I'm gonna run away.
Mine tastes like candy.
Dingle Hopperz.
What up, everybody? So, what are we doing today? We are doing the Freak Shake Challenge. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do, we're just gonna add a ton of stuff. So basically, Anthony and I are going to create a freak shake using a ton of different random ingredients that we're gonna draw from a hat. Okay, we're gonna draw a hat. We're gonna draw it from a hat. We're not gonna draw a hat. Like, this is how you draw a hat.
Wait, you draw a hat like
Right,
this?
there's a hat. Boom! Right there. There's a hat. I like your hat.
Thank you.
Why are you wearing a sombrero?
No, I'm not wearing a hat.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
I can see.
I'm wearing jello.
You're wearing. Ew. Ew, you are. Why so squishy? Alright, so here are our ingredients right here.
Ingredients right here.
And what better hat to draw it from than our Uncle Crusher's New York Giants hat? Alright, let's see which one we got.
I got this.
Anthony has marshmallow fluff. Alright, buddy. Let's put a couple spoons in here. Alright, go ahead. Put a couple spoons into your cup. Scoop it in real good. Alright. Do a couple more. No. Do it. Alright, do a couple more. Now you have to scoop it. Look. Okay, here. Alright, one more. Alright. Alright, now you can lick this spoon. Alright. So, it is my turn and I got... I got Cool Whip. So I'm gonna put a couple scoops of the Cool Whip.
This tastes good.
That tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
La da da.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, and then one more.
I'm gonna put marshmallows in here.
No, that's yours. Alright, your turn, bud. You're gonna pick another one.
Okay.
Pick any one. Alright, buddy, here, pick one.
I'm gonna pick.
Alright, what do we got?
Yeah.
Vanilla icing.
Banana ice cream.
Alright.
Banana ice cream. Banana ice cream.
There you go, that's what I'm talking about. Big scoop. Just one though, because that's a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
Use this to scoop it out.
What are you guys doing?
Making freak shakes.
You guys pulled out every single thing that has sugar humanly possible.
He's
in
gonna be
our
the one
house.
drinking it, not me. Look at he's
Oh.
Wait, you gotta use it, you have to put this in the thing.
If it's a freak shake, don't you guys need
It tastes
ice
good. It tastes
Oh yeah. Alright, we're both at the end of all this, we're both gonna put a big scoop of ice cream into our freak shakes, because then we can't make a shake without ice cream, right?
holy sugar?
Excuse me, this one tastes good.
I got yogurt. Alright.
I want that one after.
What?
Want that
Well,
one
it depends on which one yours it depends on there we go. Which one you draw. So put a yogurt in there.
Can I do it?
No, not yet. We gotta see if that's the one you get. Alright, pick one.
Yogurt. Yogurt.
No, you got marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Wait, why don't you put some marshmallows on the outside so you can there, you can put some inside and then leave some till the end. Or you could leave one in your mouth. There you go. I'll replace that one. Good? Put a couple more in there. Okay, perfect. All right, and then leave those three, leave these four for at the end. You put them on top. Cool? All right, Uncle Crusher's turn. I got one of my winter favorites, my eggnog. You ever had eggnog? You know what it's made out of?
No, I didn't have it.
You know what it's made out of? What? So, alright. This one is almond eggnog. Almond milk, not almond eggnog. It's almond milk eggnog. So I'm gonna add some so it's good. Dairy free. Let's add some in. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know that this is gonna taste that good.
It says.
We'll see.
Alright.
Alright, it is your turn, so it's cool.
I ain't gonna
You got pineapple slices.
No!
Yeah, you got pineapple. We're gonna put pineapple in yours. Let's see where I had over here. Oh, there we are. Alright, we're gonna put some pineapple slices into Anthony's.
No!
Put right on. Oh, you know what we'll do? We'll keep one to the side and we'll put it at the end. We'll put it right on top with the marshmallow. So alright. So put some there. We'll put another one. Oh no, leave that one out. Leave that one out. Or you can put it in. Can we leave one out?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, bud.
The marshmallows go away.
It's okay. Alright, next one. I got Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops, I want one.
Do you guys remember our what did we do with this with these? We did
put it in the bathtub.
And then you were swimming in it? Oh, that, you guys, that was the messiest tub to ever clean. And it was so heavy. It made such a mess, right?
Yeah.
Well, what do you mean, yeah? You didn't have to clean it. It was me that cleaned it.
And then I had my bathing suit on.
Yup, you had your bathing suit on. You were swimming in the Fruit Loops. All right, buddy, it's your turn. You get pineapple slices. All right, your turn, buddy. Go ahead, pick one. Pick a number, any number. Okay, you wish. Anthony, you got Pop-Tarts.
I have muscles.
You gonna open it? Oh yeah, muscles. Let me help you open it. These are s'mores Pop-Tarts. Alright, break it up. Break it up inside into your shape. Put the pieces inside.
It tastes good.
It does taste good. It's so yummy.
God.
Oh, there's actually marshmallow in there and chocolate. Alright, what do I got? Alright. I got fruit roll-ups. So. I want to see those. Huh? I want one. Alright, I'll give you one. Here's one for you, but you have to leave it closed for now. That's not gonna go in yours, that's gonna go in mine.
Can I open mine?
Huh?
Open it in there.
Oh, mine's gonna go in there.
Mine is gonna go.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Alright, so I'm gonna put a couple of these on here so we can spread it across.
I got 6. Are you gonna open it for me?
Yes, I will, sir.
Okay, can I wrap it around like that?
Yup.
Yay!
Oh, you know what else? Alright, because before you had the marshmallow fluff, why don't we put some more on the outside of your class too?
Oh yeah.
Right? Yeah. We'll make it look like there we go, look at that.
Whoa, that's a prison.
Alright, I got an extra spoon too that you can use, so it's all good. Alright, now spread it all across the outside. All on the outside, like that.
No.
Alright, do it, put more. Oh, make sure you, I want to do this. Yeah, try not. Oh, it's your turn to pull one. Oh, dude, it's coming out pretty good.
Oh no! I'm gonna get angry. I'm angry.
All right, dude.
Like that.
All right, buddy. Now it's your turn. Your turn to draw from the hat.
I got one.
Oh, you got the yogurt. You got the other yogurt.
The
All right, so let's get this.
Open it for me.
All right.
I'm gonna drink it.
No, you pour it into the cup. That's what it's for.
A little bit.
A very little sip. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. You're gonna finish it. All right. Perfect. There we go. Make sure you get it all out.
I got my beans, tomatoes,
Yeah, I got my beans, tomato, potato, lamb, dog. Down.
Yeah, I got that one.
That's for me.
Hey,
You can put. Oh, I got a Danish. We got a Danish in here.
a Danish?
A cherry and
That's for
cheese
me.
Danish.
That's for me.
No, that's for me. No, that's mine, bud. You got okay.
Last time
You got-
I got
this was
from
you.
the car station.
Which one is this? Oh, you got orange frosting. Oh, you're lucky you get the frosting. You have both of them. All right, I'm gonna help put this on because you licked. I think you licked both of those spoons.
Yeah.
All right, so let's put some frosting.
Oh, on here.
All right.
I'm angry. I'm angry again.
No, you're not licking mine. Lick yours. Lick yours.
Can I lick you a little bit, yours?
No, you lick yours. Look, you have everything on yours. All right, Anthony, it is your turn. You could draw from the lovely New York Giants. Go. Your turn. Only one.
Gummy bears.
No, then. Ha! Good guess, dude. It was gummy bears. You got gummy bears. All right.
Gummy bears.
All right. So here you go.
Gummy bear.
Let me give you a big handful of these.
In my hand.
All right. You get to put some on the outside. Put some on the inside.
No.
Let's put some on. Let me help. Can I help you?
I can do that.
Here, let me help you. Here, put them in. Put them on top. Boom. All right. I'm gonna go. Let's see. Oh, nice. I got chocolate syrup.
Yes.
What do we use this for? What do we make when we do these? When we use these?
You put them in the cup.
Well, mix it with what?
With milk.
Yup.
It's dripping.
It's alright.
It's like it's blood.
It's like chocolate blood. Alright, pick one from the hat.
I got cereal.
No. Oh, you got chocolate. Alright. So you got the chocolate right here. Ferrero Rocher. Uncle Crusher's absolute all-time favorite candy. Ferrero Rocher. Alright, let me help you open it. Let me help you open them up. We're gonna put them into the bag, right? And then we're gonna crush them so that you can pour them and sprinkle them on top. Punch it. Punch it. Again. Come on. Stop being a sissy. Come on. Beat it up. Alright, mix it up. Let's mix it all up. Mix it all up.
Yeah.
Mix it all up. Alright, next one. Pudding. I got the pudding.
You got the garbage.
Yeah. No, you got the garbage.
You got that.
Alright.
Gingerbread house.
This is.
Can I lick it?
Look the paper. There. So I'm gonna put the pudding in mine, and then you're next.
My gummy bears are falling down.
Dude, we're making such a mess. Good thing we're not cleaning. Let's try to like go out to the house first. Pretend like we're gonna run to the store before.
I'm sorry. What are you gonna do? I'm sorry.
Remember, I just vacuumed, so I hope there's no mess on the floor.
There's not, and if it is, it was Anthony's fault.
No, it's not.
Then whose fault was it?
You.
No. All right, let's go to the last one. All right, Anthony's last one. Last but not least.
And
Sprinkles.
can I eat them?
Yeah. You want to eat sprinkles? Right into your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, put your head back. There. See? Do a little bit more. Put it in here. Do you like it? Let me see your teeth. Do a big smile. Yeah, look. Stick your tongue out. Alright, you get to pour sprinkles into your drink. I had Danish before, I'm gonna put it on the top though, so it's cool. We break it up. Did you just... Alright, I think that's enough sprinkle. You just emptied out the container. You just emptied out the container of Alright, so last but not least,
a lot of sprinkles.
we have French vanilla ice cream that we put on top. A shake's not a shake without it. Yeah, you could do it. Oh, wait, before you put the straw in, we gotta do this. Alright, so let's put a big scoop.
Maybe the Skyman's in it.
Alright, I put a little bit more for you.
Should I like it?
No, you put it in the drink. We gotta drink it. Time to drink our drink. Alright.
Good.
Alright.
The yogurt was in there.
Not good. That's disgusting. Right? Because there's yogurt with eggnog and Cool Whip. Mine was. Ugh! That's nasty. Take a sip of mine. Mine's actually yummy. Take a sip of mine. Take a sip of mine.
I'm gonna run away.
Mine tastes like candy.
No.
Look. I was just kidding. It's yummy. It's really yummy.
No.
Try it, and then I'll try yours. You try mine, and then I'll try yours.
No. Oh, you two have got to be kidding me.
Dude. It's his fault.
There's sprinkles. There is marshmallows. There is chocolate and gummy bears everywhere. Guys, I just cleaned.
We gotta go to the store.
Oh, no.
Anthony,
You
don't we
guys
go get
are
that
gonna
thing?
help.
Don't we have to go to the store
Don't
to get
try
that
to run
thing?
away.
We have to go to the store to get that thing.
No.
We have to go to the store and then.
We have to get that thing. Remember, right? Oh my God.
Oh gosh, let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. All right, peace.
Peace.
All right, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Did they? They really just up and disappeared. Oh my God, there's like gummy bears. There's marshmallows. What is this? Oh my God, it's not even good. Well, I guess I have to clean up, guys. So just comment, subscribe, and peace out, I guess. Bye, guys.